Hey guys, how are you? So today I would like to do a simple glitter eye look. Basically just one glitter, one eyeshadow on my eye, that's all. I'm lazy, I'm bored, I don't know what do I want to do, so let's see how it will turn out. So I already applied my Plouise eyeshadow base. I'll be using my Amrezy palette. Oh, so sparkly. Like the packaging is stunning, right? Was it a limited edition or not? So I'm planning to use Gemini glitter all over the eyelid. So firstly, I would apply New Yorker and OG in my crease, then blend it, Georgina as well, maybe something darker, like those two, maybe those two. No, it will be too bold. Little bit, like the hint. Don't want it to do anything dramatic in terms of crease, you know? Just to shade it out, that's all. I mixed OG with 1988. What was in 1988 for Amrezy? Maybe she was born. I don't know how old is she. I'm not following her YouTube channel, to be honest. And that's all. Like, I wanted to keep it super simple. Then the Gemini, I will apply it with a finger. Focusing? Is it focusing? Yes. Chunky glitter. But it's super intense. So I like it. Blending it with my finger up to the crease. Why I'm doing glitter today? Because we are celebrating Thanksgiving Day. But this video for sure will be launched after the actual Thanksgiving Day. I will add a little bit of Litty, which is this burgundy pinkish shade in the middle, just to give it a little bit more dimension. Oh wow. Okay guys, so I'm back. I cleaned up here everything, applied my skincare, applied the mascara. This is new one, but I don't like it. It's given very good volume, very nice, but unfortunately after 2 hours I'm like panda, so everything just smudges, and yeah, I don't like this effect. So I will switch it soon. I also applied my brow gel from Lamel, this one, the lamination brow and gel, mega fixing condition and mascara gel. Neither. I don't like it neither. Yeah, it's not doing anything. I will give it today a chance, and maybe in the following week once or twice, but that's maximum. Yeah, not a fan. I've mixed for my skincare my Strobe cream, which is glowy in general, with the Evelin Glow and Go highlighter. So I mixed both of them, and this is the effect you see, like whoa. And plus, after that, I applied a highlighter itself on the highest points of my cheeks, my nose, and my cupid's bow. So now I'm super glowy. Wow. Nice. For the foundation, I will be using the e.l.f. one, the satin finish. It's matte, but satin finish. Apply a small amount, starting at the center of the face, and blend outwards. Layer is needed for more coverage. So I will actually, 20 milliliters only. Flawless Satin Foundation. Oil-free, medium coverage, 120 pearl. I'm also not a fan of this foundation, so I decided to give it a chance, and if not, I will be just donating it. And I wanted to use my fingers as a thick foundation. Okay, let's start from several dots. Reach. Will it be enough? I don't remember. I don't think so. super thick and super white. Have you noticed? I'm becoming the Santa Claus. But have you noticed that whenever you're applying glowy products on your face, maybe it's only with me, but I don't know, that's why I'm asking, that your skin tone is becoming darker? I don't know how it works, but it works like this for me. Clown makeup. It's not a bad foundation, it's just I have so many foundations that if I will find a foundation which is not doing anything or like average one, what's the point for me to use it? I better give it to someone who can appreciate it. It's just normal. I think I will even apply like a warm bronzer. Okay, so what I did right now is I applied a little bit of my brow powder from L'Oreal Paris. Yeah, brow something. Even with the brow gel, it's quite okay. Let me apply just a little bit more. I also finished with my lower lash line, applied the mascara, and by the way, the tip. If you wanted to blend your eyeshadows, but not to remove the coverage of your concealer, basically grab a powder. So you're grabbing the powder, putting a little bit on your blending brush, and just blending all of the edges. So it will not remove any coverage, but actually add a little bit extra. And blend out perfectly. Just a tip for you. Now I want a warm bronzer, to be honest. So I'll be using my Nars Laguna. No worries, we will be powdering everything, so it will not be that visible. I would say less white now. We'll be again applying a little bit of powder and removing the excess. And do the same with your cheekbones to have the snatch effect. I know you can use a powder puff in the bigger parts of your face, but still, in case you want something super concentrated, you can do this. So for the blush, I will be using also L'Oreal Lip Blush 120 muted rose color. Now for the highlighter. I was thinking to use the same one from Evelin, but no, the base is already matte. So yeah, I'm thinking between the Strade, this one, or from Cargo. I think from Cargo because I don't want a lot of the things going on in my face, because we have a lot of intensity on the eyes. Let me do Cargo. Let's see if I'm not powdering the rest of the face, how it will be for 6 hours, because I need this foundation for 6 hours. Okay, nice. For the lips, I'm going to apply my Kylie Cosmetics Koko K lip liner all over my lips. Laneige lip sleeping mask in a berry, like the classic one. It's not nice with my finger. So here we have it, glittery makeup look. At least the eyes were quite simple. Yeah, well, very simple. I hope you enjoyed. Happy Thanksgiving Day! Woohoo! Even though you will be watching it not on a Thanksgiving Day, but anyway. Let's see how the foundation will go, because right now it looks good, to be honest. Interesting. So about my makeup, the foundation's supposed to last for 6 hours, but at the end it's 7.5. Quite good. The eyeshadows, okay, the glitter, Anastasia fell down. Lips, obviously, no. Brows are okay, so more or less it's okay. Will I use this foundation? Still no. As I was telling you before, there's no point for me to use the product which I'm not in love, because I have too many things which I like. My name is Ira. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, likes, subscribe, comment below. Any activity will be really appreciated. And see you soon. Bye.